So, to begin, can you state your name and your profession?
That's the interest. Well, the name is easy. It's Adam Kolodziej. And the profession, yes, profession. Well, probably, well, the answers have to be, well, we have to maintain a certain degree of honesty here. Am I an artist? Well, I'm interested in space. So if there is a profession of the somebody who deals with the space in a somehow creative, well, yeah, maybe an artist, That's probably the profession. I think that, because everybody's the artist, really, yeah, artist.
Okay.
Well, officially I'm an architect and a scenographer and stuff, but it's just artist, it's a nice umbrella, I like it. Covers many angles. I don't know whether this is really an answer to your question, but what I usually do, I don't work very hard. Okay, I do work very hard in the sense that it's that I have to go at it and work very hard. No, I usually what I do, I somehow trust that this is somehow working. So usually I have a first idea, I have a concept, a very vague concept, and I'm fine with a very vague concept, and I toss it into, I may do a few lines, sure, some few lines, and I toss it into my little brain, and I do something entirely different, and then I'm going back at it. It may be depending on the deadlines, right? Maybe a few hours, and maybe a few days, and whatever it is, and I know that in the meantime, this little thing is working very nicely. So it's not that I'm multitasking because I'm not. I don't think anybody's multitasking, but so this is usually what it is, and then once after a break, so usually it's like a little outburst of actually working, and there's not that much in between. Well, it's a lot in between, but I'm not responsible for it because, based on the experience and everything, the brain is trained. Everybody's brain is trained to do certain things, so I allow my brain to do whatever it's necessary. So it's quite interesting because I'm starting something and there's nothing, and then the next time I'm doing it, it's much more developed, even if I was not working on it. So I think I think it's intelligence or just street smart, but I think it's actually a good idea, I think, for the process of achieving something, because you can jump in leaps, you're jumping certain phases. It shortens the process, So this is good, so this works for me. I don't believe that to reach the solution you have to follow the straight line. I never saw the river flowing in the, how the river flows naturally, right? Unless the well canal, which is relatively straight. It's a canal, it's a straight line. So the process is not a straight line at all. I think it should be going like this, and you're going like this, which is the normal path of our life. You meander through the life, but not like we are manipulating and avoiding things, but just meandering, going naturally to the things that we are avoiding, hitting the wall. And then the creative block is nothing but hitting the wall. So if there's no wall, there's no block. Recording the process, yeah, well, it's a garbage bin is a good storage space for the process, right? Like you're recording the process. Like you can, sure, yeah. Well, if I'm working on something, I have a bunch of the sketches, but at one point, once I think, oh, this is the solution, I don't want to be bothered by what was there. Right? It just goes right into the bin because it doesn't matter anymore because I'm above it or beyond it or whatever it is. So no, I'm not collecting on my little doodles. I'm not collecting them for posterity. It's very difficult to get the acid-free paper these days, the usual thing.
So you never revisit old ideas? You just always start with something new for every...
It's the whole pleasure is, well, I don't need to purposely revisit the old ideas. Well, I consult with my dead friends, as I do, but not on a regular basis. But it's we are developing our style one way or another, right? So all our creations are unique, very unique. according to our characteristics. So somehow you don't need to consult your old solutions, because your solutions will be still on the path of your personality anyway. So somehow you remember what you did, and then yes, sometimes you're improving, sometimes you're changing, but the idea is that every time is something new, right? Because otherwise it's the excitement. It's excitement. So I don't think I go back purposely or consciously, because everything is somewhere there. But it's nice to empty there, it's nice to empty the memory. It's a good step. Then you're starting to have a fresh excitement. I'm not quite fond of what's happening here, right? Because it's two-dimensional thing. That's what I don't like about this little board. It's 2D. My way of thinking about the space is 3D. So maybe what I should do, like a little thing which is landing. I start somewhere there, go there. Well, the light doesn't exist anyway, as you well know. Like this. Maybe I will land there, and we'll go there, and we'll finish there. That's probably it, right? So it's like I'm just going into the space and out of the space. I'm going into the space of the project and leaving the space of the project to enjoy nice something, like it's not this, am I right? It's not linear way of approaching it, very dangerous, time consuming. So yeah, that's probably it, yeah. Yes.